Hello, welcome to the Spreadsheet Shapes project, and I'm going to be making some shapes. I'm going to be drawing them in a painting program and then bringing them into one of the spreadsheets that we're using, either into Excel or into Numbers. Okay, so I'm using Sumo Paint. It's a free online program, and there's its address, sumopaint.com, and it's pretty simple to use. It's a very powerful program, so I'm going to show you how to use it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a line. And so there's a line, but that's not what I want to do. So I want to make a nice horizontal line. I want that line to be, let's say black. So I'm going to go and get, there we go, there's a black line. Now to make a nice horizontal line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the shift, whoops, and I'm going to use not the pencil, but I'm going to be using the line tool. So I hold down the shift and it makes a nice straight line. From the end of that line, I'm going to be making one of my sides of the triangle, and then from that point, I'm going to be making my last side, and then I'm going to go back to the vertex, and I'm going to be drawing a vertical line. So I hold down the shift, and I draw my nice line. Okay, now I'm going to select yellow and the paint bucket, and I'm painting that in. Now I want to make my text, so I want to label base, height, side, and side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that in a new layer. Okay, so I'm clicking, this is the new layer button, so I made a new layer, and I'm just going to click on text, and I'm going to change the text color to, oh, I don't know, maybe dark blue. Okay, and then, so base, and that's going to be the base, new layer, and height, whoops, it's yellow again. Let me just go and select a nice dark color. No, didn't like that. Height, and I'm going to bring that there, and then I'm going to go to image. I can rotate 90 degrees, let's say clockwise. Whoa, no, that's not right, sorry about that. I'm just going to go over to edit free transform, and I bring the arrow close to one of the corners and hold down the shift, and I can rotate that. Okay, now I'd like to make my side labels. So once again, so side 1, you can call that the slant if you like, and then edit free transform, which has a nice Control T as a shortcut. Okay. Whoops. Okay, let's make another. Alright, so in this layer, a new layer, so I'm going to call that one side 2, and then edit, free transform, move it over to here, and rotate. Alright, so there's my diagram. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to show you how to paste it into Word or into Numbers. Okay, and the easiest thing, if you're using a Mac, just take a picture of it. Otherwise, you can use the cropping tool and save it. So I'm just going to crop that. So if you're on a PC, just do that, crop it, and then File, Save As. Save to my computer, and then give it a nice name. Make sure you're saving it as a PNG, and I'm going to call it triangle. Okay, anyways, we're about out of time, so stay tuned for part 2. Have a good day.